Okay guys, yes, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a clicker game. So we'll be making a clicker game. So first things first, we're going to add a sprite. So delete the normal sprite, and I think they chose a banana. So we're going to go and look for food first. Okay, and then after food, then we can find bananas. So there they. Oh, they picked a balloon. Oops. But we can have bananas, it's fine. We can have a balloon as well, like right there. Alright, okay, so now we must play a sound when it's clicked. So we use the event, and then we use the sprite clicked event, and then we make a start sound pop. So now, every time we click it, it will make a pop sound. Okay, then we can have a variable. So we create a score variable. Okay, so we can just rename my variable to score. Okay, and then every time it is clicked, we can make it that it changes score by 1. Okay, and the score must also show so you can see the score. And then for when the program is started, we can have a forever loop to tell the thing to always go to a random position and wait 1 second. So you're going to have to constantly be trying to click after it. So go to random position. So if we do this, it's just going to hop around everywhere until we add like the 1 second thing. And obviously we want the score to reset every time you restart the program. Okay, and then we can also make it that it changes color when you click it. Oh, when it moves. Okay, so we can have the change color effect. We can put that there. And it keeps changing color, and oh, we already added this where it sets score to 0. And that's basically it. Okay, now bananas, we can have them constantly gliding around everywhere. So we can have a loop first, and then we can have a glide 1 second to a random position. So if we restart, now the bananas is also like gliding, so it's like kind of difficult. So what we can do is also have this when sprite click. So I think we can close that because we're already done. We can go to the bananas and just copy that over. So now if you click on the bananas, okay, but now the bananas doesn't make a sound. So what we can do, we can add a sound to it. So it has. So I think we're going to take the bite one because it sounds so satisfying. So play sound bite, not pop, because it doesn't have the start sound pop. That's why it wasn't making the noise. And basically it goes on forever, and then we can just like add a background that's suitable. So I think what you can do is you have like a patterns one. So I think like all these circles look nice. Okay, and then we have when the two are touching each other. Okay, so we don't really have like an event to do that, but we can have it from the when the program starts in the forever loop and add an if statement, and from there, so we can just say we only need this for one of them. Okay, if they're touching each other, or how about this? We can add it even like with the sprite click. Okay, so we'll have to have it on both of them now. So if it's touching, because I was already touching the mouse, so if it's touching the bananas, then it changes score by like 5 points because it's probably like rare. So if you get that right, then like you get extra points. Let's make it 10 even because it's probably going to be super rare. Okay, and then we can just like copy that over to the bananas one, and instead of making it if touching bananas, we can make it if touching balloon. So now if we go here, so there we had that moment where they were touching each other, and then like we got a lot of points there. So you kind of want to watch the banana, and if you see them touching, then you can like just like click a whole bunch. Yeah, and then like you can make like lots of points. I think you make it 5 points instead, because you can get a lot of points like that. So I think we're gonna just change this to 5 points. So like it's like trial and error depending on like how good you want the game to be. So you can just like restart it. And you basically just like click around. Yeah, and then like you just go on like this like for a while and practice your aiming skills, just like moving a mouse. Yeah, and that's it. We've made like a clicker game where you just like have to try and catch and click these things to get coins, and then you probably like add stuff where you can like probably buy more things to be on the screen to get more points or something, and so on. Everything, and you can create like a whole game just like from this idea. And that's it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.